This is Vincent with Felix Automotive Mobile Detailing. We're going to be talking about it's winter and you're driving your car and now your heater doesn't work. It's just blowing cold air. You can take it to the shop. They're going to charge you a lot of money, tell you that you need to replace your heater core. Well, I'm going to show you a quick, like 10-minute fix that'll take care of your problems. Alright, so your vehicle has two hoses that go to your heater core. This hose and this hose. And they both connect, one right here and the lower one down here. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. You're going to want to disconnect both of those hoses. So the other hose is right there, so you get them both disconnected. And what it is the one hose is the in and the other hose is the out. And you're going to want to take a hose, this hose right here, and put it into your out. And then put it into a bucket so that way when you start flushing it, it has a place to run into. You're gonna need a garden hose with an on and off valve that you're going to take and put into this hose right here. So you're gonna be doing this. You're gonna directly put it over the top, just like that. Put them together, turn it on, and then flush it out. And then it's gonna flush into the bucket. And you're gonna do this a couple times and you're gonna see a whole bunch of gunk come out. And then you're gonna switch it around and go to the out hose and flush it the opposite direction and do it a couple times. And this will flush out your heater core reservoir. It'll make you like brand new. You could do this to an old car that's been sitting for years and your heater core will be like brand new. Like I said, this can be like a 10-minute fix and save you thousands of dollars. Hope everybody enjoys this video, gives it a test, and you get your heater core going. Ready for winter. Take care. Alright, so I'm gonna start the flush on this and you're gonna see the fluid come out and eventually you'll probably see some really thick coloration come out. Hopefully my phone doesn't fall in this bucket. Look at that, it's all dark. As you can tell, there's some discoloration in there, doesn't look that good. So you just want to do this until it flushes clear, and then go to the other side, go to the out valve, do the same thing. Alright, so I'm going to show you the exact same hoses, but on a different vehicle that I'm going to flush as well, for the heater core flush. There's the two hoses, they go into the back firewall housing. Just come back out. There's the one right there. And the other one is right there. There's one with the screw on it, this one right here. That's it, so disconnect that one, and disconnect this one. And then you're just gonna flush water through the hose. I hope you all enjoyed that quick 10-minute heater core flush. It'll save you several $1,000s because they're gonna tell you, oh, you need a new heater core, it's clogged up, it's broken, and you don't. All you need to do is disconnect two hoses, the one that goes into the heater core and the one that comes out. Take a garden hose and flush it out. Go from both ends, do a flush on each end twice, and then you're set to go. Fill up your coolant reservoir, run your vehicle for a couple minutes and check your heat, and I guarantee you it's gonna be hot, hotter than it ever was before. And it's an easy fix, easy fix that they're gonna charge you over $1,000 for a new heater core. And if you go get a flush, they're not gonna flush it like this. They're gonna do some ridiculous flush that flushes out your radiator. This doesn't even no good at all. This doesn't even touch your radiator. It touches the whole heater core, and that's it. Felix Automotive Mobile Detailing. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good Sunday.